Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete a user email from Google Workspace. My name is Dina. I'm the founder of botsbelike.com, and I create human bots and also do AI tech tips here on YouTube. And I can't wait for us to get started. So let's do it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Google Workspace account, your Gmail account that ends in .com, not your name at gmail.com, because that's a personal Gmail. We're using professional business accounts that have emails inside of Google Workspace. And yes, they cost money to have. So we're going to go ahead and log into our email account. Mine is botsbelike. And then we're going to scroll up to the right-hand side, right beside the picture where it says Google Apps. It's 9 little gray dots. And then we're going to click on this blue admin tab on the right-hand side. Easy peasy. And then in this first blue bubble on the left, we're going to go ahead where it says users, click on this manage button. And the person that you want to delete, you can scroll to them. Mine is James Smith. And I'm going to click more options on the right-hand side with the drop-down menu and click delete user. And we are going to go ahead and click continue delete. It's going to remove all of their information, but you can transfer their data to Google Drive. You can save their calendars, all that stuff if you have like a new team member that's going to have the same information. So if you want to transfer that, you can, but mine was a made-up person, so I'm going to click Don't Transfer Data and then click Delete User, and that's it. It might take a few minutes for it to get deleted. I'm going to go ahead and do a double check and click that blue checkbox there, and I'm going to click Delete Users again just to make sure, but I don't think we have to do this again. It's just taking a couple minutes. But if this video has been helpful, please leave a comment below, like and subscribe. Hit that smash button if you want new notifications whenever I drop a new video. Again, my name is Dina from Bots Be Like, and I do AI and build bots and do tech tutorials. I can't wait to see you in the next video.